Welcome to GSL GMC 1720 Boat Trail Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're looking at a brand new GMC Terrain Denali trim level. This vehicle is equipped with a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine mated to the 9-speed automatic transmission. Right away with that Denali grille, you notice that beautiful chrome accents, as well as the color matched front bumper and the overarch of the wheel wells there, color matched as well. In the interior of this beautiful Denali Terrain, you notice that wood paneling side on the vehicle here. Moving into the dash, only 21 kilometers on this vehicle, brand new, ready to go, ready to serve you. This vehicle does have a heated leather wrapped steering wheel as well for those nice chilly mornings, warms up very fast. That 8-inch touchscreen for your audio and navigation. Moving down, you do have your climate controls here and your selection for drive. This vehicle does have the jet black leather interior with a silver stitching. And carried out, you see that wooden trim piece on the side there carried out through this cab. Moving to the exterior of this Denali, you do notice those bright red C-shaped taillights, beautiful LED lights there, as well as the beautiful 19-inch Denali rims that come on the Terrains. Beautiful looking rims, as well as the color matched side skirts there. You notice that is a perfect color match, as well as the chrome accents around the vehicle above the driver and passenger window there, and about on the bottom of the doors, the trim that says Denali. Moving into the rear interior of this beautiful Terrain, you notice those leather seats again, a 60-40 bench split seat, and the cup holders do come down in the middle there, as well as they both fold down to complete a flat bed in the back of your Terrain. As well as this does have the GM custom formed rubber matting, helps keep out any snow, sand, mud, anything. The rear seats are heated as well, the two ends here, and you see dual USB outlets out the back there. And this vehicle is equipped with the beautiful large sunroof, encloses the whole cab. Let all that beautiful sunlight in, all those beautiful starry nights. Amazing looking sunroof. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk around video of the brand new 2020 GMC Terrain Denali. We hope to see you in the showroom soon down at GSL GM City 1720 Boat Trail Southwest.